Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a returner and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa. Here we just talk about a little bit of any and everything. Mostly talk about hair, my hair, but yeah, I just talk about whatever I feel. And this weekend I'm feeling a little vloggish. So my half marathon is this Sunday. Today is Wednesday, and I have a half marathon coming out. This will be my third one. I started my very first one in 22, and then of course 23, and then 24 will be my next one coming up. So have to run the Walmarts real quick. I have to get some these like little energy chews to help me out throughout my race. Do they work? I don't know. I feel like they kind of work, but at the same time I don't know. I may grab a Celsius. So the thing is, if I grab a Celsius, am I going to take these energy chews? Now, I may take them, just pop them in like throughout the race. They do say like you're supposed to drink. I don't want to say with them, but you're supposed to stay hydrated, which is not a problem because they do have like hydration stations. Throughout the this is like the weirdest angle ever. My bad, y'all. But anywho, throughout the race, like throughout the course, so I'm thinking about just like go ahead and get them. I did jelly beans last year. Or the year before. I don't know if they really helped. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. I just know I was hungry, so I was eating them jelly beans because I was like hungry for real. But anywho, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and run in here. I'm gonna grab these little energy chews real quick, and then I gotta grab some cinnamon rolls because my son asked me this morning. He's like, "Mom, I think you need to make us some cinnamon rolls." First of all, little boy. But anywho, so I can make him some cinnamon rolls tomorrow morning before he goes to school. Yeah, so I guess that's all. All right, I'm about to go ahead and head inside the store and grab these energy chews and maybe a Celsius just to be on the safe side. I don't know. And of course, Elijah's cinnamon rolls. Oh, and I gotta grab some nail polish because I gotta do my niece's nails today, and she said we have to do blue. So yep, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you next clip. Okay, so these were the jelly beans that I was mentioning in the car. I had these last year. They were like okay. And these gums, I never had them before, but I figured why not give them a shot. So right now I'm just like checking out all of them, seeing what it is that, well, not what it is, but like how many I need to take, what are they like, how does the y'all, the energy work, how much caffeine is in there. Now I never had those blocks before, and even like the Sunny Stickers, I tried one once. I didn't care too much for it. So these are the chews I was telling you guys about that I did when I did a 6-mile run. Okay, so back inside my car. I did, what did I just, as you saw, I was looking at the different stuff. I just ended up with these two, with the gum and the chews. So the chews is what I had last time, and the gum is what I am trying this time. So I don't know how that's about to go. I never tried the gum before, but I guess we just gonna see. And I did get the, what is this stuff? You already know. Oh, my old girl did this. And we just gonna see. And I did, that dog going crazy. And I did mention get the cinnamon rolls. Anywho, okay, that's all. So let me see. Our next, so today's Wednesday. Crap, I gotta text my client. So today's Wednesday. Thursday I'm good, and then Friday, if not Friday, Saturday, he is not gonna let me be great. Okay, I'm about to stop because this dog going crazy. Apparently I can't vlog. But anyways, yeah, next, what we got next? Okay, pack and pick up is either Friday or Saturday, and then the day of the race. completed. I did red because Elijah, I asked him what color should I do. He said red, so that's why I did red. I hate that. I don't say I hate. If I was thinking, I would have got the woman, but I already had this file because I did it from one of the guys I run with. But yeah, so this is my sweat towel. Okay, so it is Friday, May the, I have no idea what day it is, but okay, thank you. So I just got off of work. Excuse the glossy lips because I can't find my chapstick. But anyways, pack and pick up. So remember how I was saying I wasn't sure if I was gonna go Friday or Saturday, but things changed and so I was able to go Friday. So we are here now. I am gonna tell y'all how I park, like when I tell you this, like the tightest spot ever. But anywho, so about to head in. Hopefully I can like get some decent clips in there. If not, then the next clip y'all see, it'll be Sunday morning and it'll be race day. So yeah, let's go get my stuff. Why is you looking like that, dude? Anyways, let me go get my stuff. Okay, so I got my stuff. We are good to go. I really didn't record a lot in there because then we went upstairs like with the kids, like in the little kids area. I was like recording her, but I don't know, like I may add her stuff in there, I'm not sure yet. But anywho, so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and like insert like pictures and like the little bit of footage that I have. And actually I already inserted that, so you already saw that, so ignore that little part just there. But anywho, yeah, so I guess that's all for real. Excuse me. I already have all my clothes situated. I guess really I just gotta like finalize like all my stuff and yeah, so all right, I will see you guys when I get home. Well, yeah, no, in the next clip. Porta potties are out. They are getting them ready. Hey, good morning, guys. It is race day. It is 5:48. I had a whole plan how I wanted this to look. I was like, oh, I was gonna record when I was doing my breakfast, when I wake up, blah 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 blah. It was doing too much. I was fighting and trying to figure out what I was gonna wear because it was raining. It kind of still is, it kind of stopped, but it's supposed to off and on. So I kept my tank top, the hat, of course the socks and the shoes. I just traded my shorts for leggings. So and then yeah, so you see I'm my jacket right now. I'm gonna keep this on until we get there. Well, not there, but like to my corral, and then as we get closer I'm gonna take it off. I got Ben in the car. Boys say good morning.
Good morning.
Jojo, say good morning.
Good morning.
And yeah, so super excited. I don't know, it's like a combination of nerves and adrenaline, and I'm sleepy. I'm not gonna say how many hours of sleep I got, but anywho, I had stuff I had to do yesterday. But anyways, all right, so yeah, my phone is still charging. I got everything I need. My fanny pack is somewhere right here. Here's my fanny pack. Got my fanny pack. Hey, rude. I got my fanny pack. My headphones are fully charged. My watch is fully charged. Fanny pack. I just got my fruit chews, the gum, and then my earbuds. Oh, my AirPods. What else I got in there? My ID. Anything can happen. I got my ID and my chapstick. Oh my gosh. You can say I'm gonna be great. Oh, and I have my sweat out. He alright though. He good. But still, that's just so loud. It's too early for it to be that loud. But anyways, yep, 5:50. My corral, the slow corral, don't start until 6:40. But we did not park in like the stadium, like at the school, at the university, like we normally do. And then we also left like a little later than what we normally do. It was only like 15 minutes later, but still, that makes a big difference, especially when it's like thousands of people running. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to say. I guess just enjoy these footages throughout the race, and I will see you guys afterwards. All right, can't see me. I know you can hear me. Being and the boys are back there. We just got out the car at 6 o'clock because, you know, it's probably gonna take a second for us to get down there. We're not really like a second. We're not really like that far from where we gotta go, but anywho, I don't feel like I gotta use the bathroom, but I feel like I gotta use the bathroom again. So it's just nerves. Like, I don't know. I more than likely would just hold out and wait. Okay, I think that stopped recording. I don't know. I hope it was recording. Anywho, we're walking just in case it didn't record. We're heading to the place now. It's a little earlier, but yeah. So I feel like I gotta use the bathroom, but I feel like I don't. I'm gonna wait prior to I do like my first 5K. When I use the porta potty, because there's gonna be like a lot of people out here. So I don't know, we'll see. It's probably just nerves too, but anywho. So I'm eating fruit juice in a little bit, and I'm just gonna go because it's dark and y'all can't see me. So okay, bye.
Marathon relay.
I'm about to be that person that be like this. I got nothing. One time.
What was that?
Oh shit.
Nice.
All right. You got this. There she is. There she is. Rissa! Hey, girl. Hey. Oh, yep. I got both of y'all. Bye. Woo! Have a great race. Woo! Huh? Yeah, she races. She right there. Woo! Hi. Ow. It's a video.
Hey! It worked.
You guys got this. You're doing great. You look
Thank you. Keep it up. Thank you. Hey. You got this. Oh, yay. Good job. Thank you. It's raining. Never get happier to run in the rain. Think he'll come in. Let's do it. It's fun. It's fun. Let's go. Almost there. I need some serious strength. My legs are starting to give out. No, my back. But you know what? I need some strength.
Scratch, 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 scratch. Scratch be unto you.
I'm gonna finish it though. Oh, my lips ashy. Oh, Lord. Okay. I'm off the hill. I can start running again. Almost there. The rain is crazy. Oh, Jesus. We got this. We got this. Huh?
Right there. Right there. Coming down.
Look at it go. It's a rock one too.
Is that her? There she go. There she go. Yeah. Rissa! Good job, Rissa! That's my sister! Look to your right! Girl! Hey! Right, right. Okay, we are done. Made it. I'll tell you about it. There's beer. Elijah, say hi.
Nice look.
Irene, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, look, y'all. I'm fake friends.
Oh, and did. Ran her mouth. Nice guy, Caleb, Joey. We can talk later, but we're done. All right, y'all. Ignoring how I look, but I am back home. Let's talk about the race later. I'm just really not in the mood to, clearly you see my locks, how they looking. So I'm not trying to be like too presentable right now. Rocking my moo. But yeah, today was something in my eye. Today was fun. Today was interesting. It's always fun. It was just there's something pretty in my eye. Just interesting learning experiences. And yeah, so tomorrow, help me Lord. Not tomorrow, but this week I will definitely do a sit down and just really talk about my experience with the half marathon this year, as well as my previous half marathons. What to expect when you're running a half marathon, just run a period, but more so like a half marathon. And yeah, I guess that's all. So thank you guys so much for watching my little vlog, and I will see you. What she say? Oh, probably put my glasses on. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.